Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your Likee account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So down here we have, as you can see, 5 tabs, which is your profile tab. We have your messages. We have the plus button where you can put your videos. We have the explore tab, and of course we have the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your Likee account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to delete your account in just no time. First of all, what you need to do when you're in the 5th tab, when you're in, as you can see, your tab, you need to go and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. So do not click on the eye icon, click on the 3 dots. After that, here, as you can see, you have 5 options. You have the share, wallet, creator center, QR code, and the settings option. You need to, of course, go and click on the settings option. And here you have, again, a lot of options. Click on the account. And here, as you can see, you have the delete account option, where you have to verify, and you can easily then go and delete your Likee account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.